Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's Miss Sandy, and today I'm gonna be showing you how to outline your closure, frontal, full lace, whatever you call it or whatever you want to do. But here I'm gonna be showing you how to outline this frontal, but this is basically not a frontal because this is more than a frontal, because my client wanted a frontal that is that extends more at the back, almost like full lace but not full lace. So this is me basically trying to customize my lace cap. So lovelies, you want to sit back and just watch this video carefully. If you're new to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button so as to get updated when I post new videos. So here I'm just creating my cap, you know, just to make sure that my cap is actually sitting properly at the head. So you want to create that, and to create that, this is basically what you'll be doing. Just use your T-pins to just, you know, hold that in place. So yeah, I'm using pencil. This is actually a 2B pencil. I love this pencil a lot because it has a way of making the lines very visible. So after I'm done using the pencil to just create my lines, I'm just going to, you know, cut it out. And in order to sew this that properly so that it would not, you won't see the sewings very well, I'm making use of an invincible thread. You can get this in any local hair store, or if you want to purchase this, I'm going to be sharing with you the link where I purchased all these items. So this is me basically using my needle, and then I use the invisible thread, you know, to sew along through. This method of sewing is just the basic stitch. So this is basically what I'm doing, you know. So when you're done sewing this, you want to make sure that you sew the other part securely. If you're still yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly subscribe if you're new to this channel, and hit the notification bell so as to get updated when I post new videos. So yes lovelies, thank you so much for watching. And yeah, this is how to actually secure your lace cap. So I feel like this method is very nice, especially because if you're gonna be doing just frontal, you know, you wouldn't get the real style, especially if there's a basic style that you actually want to achieve. But there are some styles that you want to achieve, and then you need that lace to actually extend to the back. So if you're that kind of person, this is basically how to do it. So yeah, this is me because I want to do a box braid. So I'm just basically using my pencil to just outline it, and I don't want to stress too much in actually ventilating. There's this method I'm gonna be using for ventilating this box braid, but first, this is how I outlined the boxes. So once you create your line from the middle, then you start creating. There's no basic measurement for this. This is just me using my discretion to just, you know, create the markings just the way I want the boxes to be. Not too big, not too small, just the medium kind of size. So you want to make sure that you outline it all the way to the back properly before you start creating your boxes. So lovelies, if you want to actually see how I created the boxes using the easy method, not ventilating too much, kindly hit the notification bell so as to get updated when I post new video. And lovelies, I'm gonna let you guys just watch this video and pretty much understand and actually see how to make this by yourself. So lovelies, just keep on watching.
Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly.